Welcome to Francis Collins School.
Okay. Hello, everybody. We are going to continue working with the last topic, okay? Let's see what we have here for today. First, I want to know how are you today? ¿Cómo están el día de hoy? You are good, you are great, you are wonderful, you are tired, maybe you are happy. I don't know. How are you today? Okay, let's continue. Okay. Look at, we were talking about an unreal situations, yes. We see some verbs in the past, okay. For example, this is the present, and this is the past, okay. For example, is, was, are, were. This is the past. Live, lived. Have or has, had. They'll do, they'll did. The travel, traveled. They'll take, el took, y el liked. Okay, this is the past. Este es el pasado. Okay, and this is the present. Okay, now when we talk about an unreal situations, okay, cuando vemos acerca de situaciones que son irreales, que no son reales, okay, utilizamos el were. Okay, if I were an alien, or if I were, okay, remember that. Okay, dice, we are going to work in our books, okay, vamos a trabajar en nuestros libritos, yes, in page, vamos a trabajar con el student book in the pages number 48, 49, 50 and 51, ok, página número 48, 49, 50 y 51, ¿sí? Ok, me van siguiendo, ¿sí? In the letter D dice sentence, put correct or incorrect, okay? You're going to try to guess, yes? For example, if I were a teacher, what would you do? Dire, if you were a teacher, si tú fueras un profesor, ¿qué es lo que harías? What would you do? Number one, if I am a teacher, I'd sleep in class. I'd sleep in class. Incorrect. Incorrect. ¿Por qué? Aquí utilizamos el were, okay? If I were a teacher. Yes, if I were. Yes. Number two, dice, if I were a teacher, I would give homework. I would not give homework. Okay. I would not. Yeah, I think it's correct. Yes, I would not give homework. O también podría ser wouldn't. Yes, wouldn't. Number three, dice, if I was a teacher, I'd be happy. If I was. Incorrect. Yes, tendría que ser if I were a teacher. Yeah. Okay, excellent. Now here, dice aquí, if I were a teacher, I'd had a lot of money. This one, no, este had está incorrecto. ¿Por qué, Miss? Porque estamos utilizando el I would. Después de would sigue el verbo en su forma normal, no en pasado, ¿ok? Number 5 dice, if I were a teacher, I would travel to the US. Not traveling, it's travel. Incorrect, ¿ok? Ok. Letter E dice, complete the sentences by using the second conditional, ¿ok? Use the words in the box. Okay, we have be, I, would, had, helped, and repaired. Let's see what is number one. Let's read. If she breakfast at home, she would be in time for school. Okay, in this case, ¿qué podríamos poner en el espacio? A ver, if She be? No. If she I? No. If she would? Tampoco. If she had breakfast? Okay, could be. If she helped breakfast? No. She repaired? No. My word is had. Tachamos had, okay? What about number 2? Dice, if he, his mother, he feel better. If he helped, okay, his mother, he would feel better. He would feel better. Number 3, dice, if dad repair my bike, I would be very grateful. I would be very grateful, okay? Grateful. Let's continue. Yes, let's continue working in our books. Yes. Here is a new vocabulary. Yes, some words that are new. Okay. For example, we have this picture. La voy a resaltar. Okay. Que dice explore. Okay, explore. We have another that say float. Yes, float, float. Okay. We have another observe. Yes, observe. Travel. Yes, traveled. Asteroid. Yes, asteroid. An Orion constellation. Yes, Orion constellation. Yeah. Andromeda galaxy. Yes. And the crater. Yes. Things that you can find in the moon. Yes. Okay. Now let's continue. This is only to review and know. Okay, listen the conversation. We are just going to listen, okay? I'm going to read the conversation for you, okay? It says, would you like to go to the moon? Yes, I would. But what would happen we went to Pluto? If we went to Pluto, we would be cold. So let's go to the moon. Yes, it will be terrific. Okay. Which are the expressions that we can see in the conversation. So, and it will terrific. Terrific no doesn't mean something negative, okay? Terrific. No significa nada negativo. Terrific is something asombroso, algo asombroso, genial, okay? Yeah? Okay. Let's see. What else we have? Here, listen and circle the word that you hear. Yes, let's see, and let's try to complete without the audio. Okay. Number 1, if I, the president of Peru, I'd help poor people. If I were, okay, if I were. Number 2, if I were an astronaut, I'd travel to the moon. I would like to travel. I would like travel. Yes, I would like travel to the moon. Yeah. Excellent. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Number 3, dice, if we were I'd be happy. I'd be happy. Okay, circle teacher. Yes, we're going to write teacher. If I were a teacher, I'd be happy. Yes. Number 4, if I were, I'd speak English in class. If I were you, si yo fuera tú, yes, if I were you, I'd speak English in the class. Okay. Number 5. I traveled around the world. If I were a singer, yes, I traveled around the world. Yes. Number 6. If I were a soccer player, I'd help my family. I would help my family. Okay. If I were a soccer player. Letter E, okay? Listen and pay attention to the verbs. Okay, if I had a telescope, I look at the stars and I see a comet with its tail. A comet is very bright. On the other hand, if I had a spaceship, I would explore the universe. A little text yet to listen. Let's continue to the letter G. Yes. Listen and mark, okay, the sentences that you hear. Okay, here, aquí. Yo te voy a leer algunas oraciones, ¿sí? Number one, te leo una oración y tú eliges la respuesta que corresponde, ¿ok? Number two, y eliges. Number three, y eliges. Number four, y vas a elegir, ¿ok? Let's see. Number one, if I had a telescope, I'd see the stars. Number two, if I were rich, I'd help my family. Okay, let's go to number three. Okay, let's go to number three. If I were an astronaut, I'd travel to the stars. Number four. Yes, number four. Yes, number four. If I were, okay, a teacher, I'd be very happy. This one. This one. This one. And what else was it say? To family, yes. Ok. Y aquí, ya. Aquí hay un pequeño error, yes, acerca del libro. Borramos esta N. Ok. Let's continue. Now, here, this is going to be your homework, ok? Specifically, your homework. Esta va a ser específicamente tu tareita, ok? About, this is a text, ok? Este es un texto, this is a reading, ok? Un texto para leer, yes. Van a leer y van a marcar true or false, ok? And that's it. Y eso es todo lo que van a hacer. There is no more homework, ok? Solo esto. Y me envían fotos de lo que hemos avanzado, ¿sí? Según las páginas que les he enviado, me envía fotos claras, por favor, para que se puedan observar y leer, ¿sí? Ok, and that's all for today. Ok, don't forget. Después de lo que hemos hecho, vamos a trabajar en nuestro librito, que los que tienen librito. Quienes no tengan librito, por favor, ahí están les he enviado las páginas que vamos a resolver, que hemos resuelto ya. Y las vas a pegar esas en tu cuadernito, ¿sí? Después de haber pegado los que no tenían libro, vas a colocar el separador de la unidad. Aquí está, ¿ok? De todos modos va para todos, ¿ok? You have to draw this, you have to write this in your notebook. Unit number 6, unidad número 6. Yes, the value, the phrase, and the confession of faith. Yes. Copy this in your notebook, please. Okay. And that's it. Okay, that's all for today. Eso es todo por hoy. See you the next time. Take care and goodbye.